Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are purposefully gathered here for presentation. So I am here to present our presentation on the topic Role of Nanotechnology in the Construction of Civil Engineering. Introduction. What is civil engineering mean? Civil engineering involves the work of designing buildings and infrastructure. Basically, it involves the structure like tunnels, bridges, dams, etc. And it also covers complicated networks such as water irrigation, sewerage, etc. Right? We are very familiar with the concept of getting raw material, bringing them together in an organized way, and then finally composing in an organized form. This is what we do. This is our role in a society which we are performing for last hundreds of years ago. So for us, construction is not new science. Same as it is, nanotechnology is also not a new science. It is an extension of science and technology that developing for many years. Now, what is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is the use of small piece of material which manipulated small piece material after into a new large scale. At the nanoscale material altered large scale. Basically, the nano size is between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Nanotechnology is enabling technology which allows us to develop material into a new and good properties. Application of nanotechnology. There are some applications in nanotechnology which is used in the construction of civil engineering, like in concrete, in steel, in glass, in coating, and many more. Nanotechnology in concrete. What is concrete? Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, water, and coarse aggregate. The mechanical behavior of concrete is dependent upon the phenomena of nanoscale and microscale. Nanotechnology can modify the structure of concrete finally improves and properties of material like bulk density, mechanical stability, volume stability, durability, and last sustainability. In concrete, nanoparticles mainly used as nanosilica, CNT, which is generally referred as carbon nanotubes, and titanium dioxide, which is known as TiO2. CNT in concrete. Addition of small amount of 1% of CNT in concrete improves the mechanical property of concrete, heat of hydration reduces, and strength of cement increases. When nanoparticle added to the concrete, result shown that they increase the strength as well as offering the benefits of monitoring the stress level of concrete. Now, nanosilica and concrete. When we have nanosilica and concrete, it improves the durability of concrete when the structure is exposed to de-icing salts. Now, here is a video. Simulated concrete shell. There is a YouTube on which we are doing nano coating. जिसके साथ जब concrete नीचे जाता है तो उसके ऊपर एक पूरी nanotechnology कोटिंग हुई जिसकी तरफ से आप देख रहे हैं कि उसके साइड में कहीं भी कंक्रीट नहीं लगा हुआ है क्योंकि उसमें हमने nanotechnology की कोटिंग कर रखी है. Nanotech permanent for concrete and stone surface. एक कंक्रीट स्लैब है जिसका आप देख रहे हैं एक साइड में हमने एक सरफेस को ट्रीटेड रखा है नैनो कोटिंग जिसके अदर साइड में क्वांटिटी इस पे नैनो कोटिंग नहीं हुई है. एक साइड पे जब हम ग्रीन सॉल्यूशन डाल रहे हैं तो सारा रेजिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है. नेक्स्ट. Now, nanotechnology in steel. Temperature restriction in steel. Up to 750 steel loses its structural integrity, and above 1000 Fahrenheit temperature, it loses its 50% of strength. So, by infusion of steel with nanosilica scale copper particles, it could maintain the structural integrity of 1000 Fahrenheit, which would not be possible earlier. Now, new infused steel allows us to ultra high strength corrosion resistance and have good surface finish. Now, nanotechnology in steel. Nanotechnology in steel produce high strength steel bars. After doing this, we do not need to monitor it for more time. An addition of nano copper particle reduces the unevenness of steel surface, which then limits the number of stress. There are two international products basically used in steel: sandwich nanoflakes, which are high young modulus and high strength, and other is MMFX2 steel. This is MMFX2 and the other is sandwich. So, video of nanotechnology coating. in steel. We have taken two needles, one is coated with nanotechnology and other is not. So you can see here, when we dip in concrete, next. This is a steel hammer, one is coated with nanotechnology and other is not. When we dip in a mud of concrete, one is covered with a layer of mud and other one is not. Now, nanotechnology in glass. Titanium dioxide TiO2 used as nanoparticles to form a coat glazing since it has sterilizing and anti-fouling properties. Fire protecting glass is another application of nanotechnology. This is achieved by using a layer of sandwich between glass panels formed and fumed silica SiO2. Water repellent process is a water repellent process. Here you see a bare surface. इस पे हमने नैनो कोटिंग नहीं किया, उसके बाद जो नीचे दिख रहा है आप सेल्फ क्लीनिंग एक्शन में उसको नैनो कोटिंग कर दी गई, तो द बेयर सरफेस जो है उस पे कंटामिनेटेड वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स एंटर हो चुकी है, बट जब हमने नैनो कोटिंग की उस पे जो कंटेमिनेट्स थे वो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट के चारों तरफ स्टिक हो चुके हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो ड्रॉपलेट्स आएंगी तो सारे डर्ट पार्टिकल्स अपने साथ लेंगी जब हम नैनो कोटिंग करेंगे ग्लास में। तो Is a self cleaning glass. जब हम किसी ग्लास में नैनो कोटिंग करते हैं, तो नैनो कोटिंग वाला ग्लास तो सेल्फ क्लीनिंग होता है, ग्लास ऑटोमेटिकली वॉश हो जाता है. When we do nano coating on glass, coating is activated by UV ray. जब हमने नैनो कोट की ग्लास की, उसके बाद हमें इसको UV रेज में रखना पड़ेगा 5 to 7 days of exposure. Next. After that, organic dirt is broken down. The coating breaks down organic dirt and try doing so to reduce the adherence of inorganic dirt after 5-7 days of exposure. And at the end, when the rain comes, it washes all the dirt away. The water droplets spread out of common sheets. Dirt particles on the surface are picked up by water and washed to the glass. Remarkable difference you can actually see. Laser. Here you can see a glass slab. Center is untreated and other sections is treated with nanotechnology coating. जब हमने साइड में ड्रॉपलेट्स डाली, जो कि साइड बेस जो था वो नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी की कोटिंग थी, जब हमने ड्रॉपलेट डाली वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो सेंटर अनट्रीटेड थी उसमें जाके मिक्स हो गई, क्योंकि जो साइड में हमने नैनो कोटिंग कर रखी थी उसकी वजह से वो वहां पे रेजिस्ट नहीं होगा और सेंटर में आके मिक्सअप हो चुकी है. नेक्स्ट, there is a two glass water testing. One is treated glass and the other one is untreated glass. जो treated glass उसको हमने नैनो कोटिंग की है. When you pose a droplet of water, you can see it will not resist untreated glass because we have done nano coating on glass. But the same process when we applied on the untreated glass, you can see it will stick to the glass water droplet because it is not treated with the nano coating. Next. Now nanotechnology in coating. Nanotechnology is being applied to the paints and insulating as well as which property is the addition of nano-sized cells pores. This type of paint is used to present for corrosion protection under insulation since it is hydrophobic and it repels water. It's a plastic sheet nano coating. It's a plastic sheet. One side is nano coated and the other side is not. Next. Almost any material can be coated with the use of nanotechnology. Next. Conclusion. Present day we are in great search of alternate materials. So with the help of nanotechnology we can achieve alternate materials which we use to construct new buildings. Nanotechnology is not exactly a new technology, but it's rather an extrapolation of current one into a new one. In construction sector, the use of nanotechnology is limited of 33%. Therefore, there is a bright future of this technology, like minimize the risk, makes better efficiency. Next. My opinion, it will firm construction, it will give innovative designs and smart maintenance. Some coated structure. Next. This is a coated structure, Subramani Bhumi International Airport in Bangkok, Thailand. Next. Nano coated house. GSA General Service Administration with nano coated glass. Stainless steel to ground disclosure net. Material before coating and material after coating. Next. Nano House in Australia, Sydney. It's a church, dives in Discordia, Rome, Italy. TiO2 titanium dioxide coating on roads for pollution detection. Next. That's all. Presentation by Harsh Dugam from Civil Branch NI.
पूछूंगा मैं
This nanotechnology is applicable for clothing.
Almost anything can be coated with the help of nanotechnology. Anything. Any other? Thank you.